Hello, it is a brand new week. Welcome to another episode of the Achievers Corner with Victoria Showumi, where we share with you tips and strategies to help you achieve success in your business and in your career. And in this brand new week, I want to share about relationship building and collaboration. The power of relationship building and collaboration in helping you as you're listening, in helping you to achieve success in your business and in your career. When I was younger and I was looking for way to make money, I always have an entrepreneurial mindset, always looking for way to make money. And I share with my friends, I'm like, please, I need help. What I'm doing right now is not making enough money. I need something with a consistent flow of income, right? But the good thing is I have friends, I have people around me that I could share my passion with, that I could share my need with. And I share with my friends, and my friends introduce me to a big woman in business at a time. And she helped me with that relationship. She helped me to connect with that woman. And right there, when I started working with this woman, let me tell you, I was probably 13, 14, around that age, because I was in middle school or junior high, whichever way you want to talk about it. I was in Nigeria. And beginning from that time, what I was making in business, me just selling a little bit here and there, it pretty much like 1,000%, because I was going from making five equivalent of $5 to $10 per week to making about 60 to $120 equivalent of that in Nigerian money. That was the power of relationship collaboration with someone, and he helped me. And you can never know who is going to help you. According to, I think that was the Dale Carnegie School of Success, that 15% of your success, 15% of your success comes from technical skills. Let me repeat that. 15% of your success is from your technical skills, and 85% is through your relationship, building relationship with other people. Yes, hear it. Yes, 85%. If you really want to be successful in your career, in your profession, in your business, you need to be able to build solid relationship with people in and outside of your current network. And another example, when I finished my nursing school in 2008. Around that time, that is when the economy began to spiral down. If you know, everything began to spiral down. And for me to get job, it was challenging, because then most of the organizations were looking for people with experience. And it's like, okay, someone who just graduated, how will I have an experience if no one wants to give me an opportunity? Well, I got a job then, to be working in a facility which I really don't like, but that is what I could get at a time. I was doing it, and then I met a lady, beautiful lady. We actually met at the hair salon. Power of relationship building, and we have connected. Just share. We have connected, and another time we met again at the same place. I was like, oh, I said, wow, how are you? I said, you know what, girlfriend, I need your help. I was like, what? I said, I know you work in the healthcare field. I didn't even know her title, but I know she works in a big organization, healthcare organization. I said, I need your help. I've been trying to secure jobs. I have applied to different places. I said, I'm not getting what I really wanted. I said, can you please help? I just spit it out just like that. And she said, where do you have your resume? I was like, oh, I got one in the car. And right there, I went into my car. I got a copy. I was carrying my resume with me, 2008, 2009, okay? I was always on the go, ready. Like, I don't know whatever is going to come, but I'm always prepared. That's another one for another time. Like, when a preparation and opportunity makes, there is a miracle. Right there, I got my information, got my resume from my car. I gave it to her. It was on a weekend. She said, well, I will follow up with you during the week. I will give it to my director, my administrator at the office, and we'll take it from there. She said, we are hiring, but not that much, but we'll see what we can do. So I'm like, okay. Tuesday, I got a call from her. She said, well, you haven't heard back from me because my administrator was out, but she's going to be back the next day, and I will definitely present your resume. And during the week, she called me back. She said, well, I have given them your resume and they would like to speak with you. They would like to invite you for an interview. I was like, wow. And prior to that, to her telling me, I went on their website, right? Because I want to be sure. This is a big organization in New York. They have branches everywhere. I went on their website, searching a department, search everywhere. I couldn't find anything. There were no job posting. So that kind of like gave me a little concern, but I was like, let her do her thing. You never can tell. And they called me before the end of the week from my department, like, well, we have received your resume. We would like to invite you for an interview from out of nowhere. So I went for the interview in our department of this big organization. I went there, I did the interview. They said, well, where you got the job? But because we are doing things backward. So they have to call, after they did an interview with me in that department, they called the main campus and told the HR, create a position. Because we already hired somebody. They already hired somebody and the position is not even there. So they told the lady, we're going to be sending that over in the next couple of minutes. Please create this application, create the position. She's come, she's hired, she's coming, put this and in and let her come and fill out the application. So everything was like a reverse. I did interview. That is, but after that I went to the main campus. Okay, it was another building away from where I went in there and did fill out the application. And she said, just do everything because she's hired already. We just want you to put in everything so everything now flows through. And I put in the job and I look at the description. I'm like, why don't you even have this experience? But I already got hired. And that was the power of relationship. That was the power of relationship. Never discount what people can do for you. Never discount, never relegate anybody because you never can tell. If at all that person is not gonna, is not able, is not in the position to help, but he or she might know somebody that can help. So I applied for that job right there and I did everything. And they said, we're gonna email you your acceptance letter. Just do the normal process. I mean, it was like, wow. And I called her, like, this is amazing. She was like, Victoria, that is how it goes. And I was so grateful. Up to now, we have become so much friends, like to another level. But the power there is that when you connect with people, when you build relationship with people, they will help you. And you never can tell. That was how when I got the letter of acceptance, I was surprised with the salary because, like I shared, it wasn't looking at the qualification. I hardly meet half of what the requirement was, and I was like, I don't know what the job was gonna be, the salary will be, but the salary, I was surprised. I cannot even tell some of my friends like this is how much I got in this job, right? Relationship. So it is very crucial. Never burn bridges. I mean, sometimes you may not be a people person, but you want to invest time. You want to be intentional about making friends, about being there for your friends, about building that relationship. Invest in relationship. It's going to take a lot of work. This may actually put you outside of your comfort zone, but you want to try because everything, there is a huge return of investment for you, a huge, I'm telling you, on that. If you can build that relationship, and it's going to help you so you can connect, you'll be able to collaborate on another level entirely. Through relationship, people, like it has helped me, it has helped so many people secure good paying job, get into leadership positions. There are some jobs that you will never find on the internet, let me tell you that. Let me tell you that. But through people can vouch for you. People can make a recommendation for you. People can sponsor you. That is why you really do not want to discount any relationship. Never look down on anybody, but build that relationship. Invest in it. And if you are building relationship with someone, be committed. Be committed because it's two-way traffic. It's not just about what that person is going to do for you, but it's about what you as a person can do for that person. what you can do for your friend, what you can be committed to. And before you know it, it's going to come right back to you. People will help you. People has helped me, and thank God. I have thanked God, and I'm still thanking God to be in a position to help people. All right. So this week, look for relationship. People who have called you and you haven't returned their call. Call them back. Test. Just say hello. Just check on people. How are you doing? And me, especially with what is going on around us in the world, just check on some of your friends. Maybe in a while, just I just want to hear from you. How are you doing? I hope family is good. How is job? How is business? Just keep in contact, because whatever is out of sight is out of mind. If they're not hearing from you, they will not think about you when the opportunity comes. So stay close with your friends. All right. So that is all I have for you. I hope this has helped you. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Sharing is caring. And I have this announcement. Yes. So by the end of the month, October the 31st, so I'm having a vision casting and goal setting workshop. It is a Saturday, October the 31st, 11 a.m. It's virtual event. The link is going to be down there for you to sign up. It's $27. And if you bring a friend with you, you get yours half price off. All right, so $27 for the vision casting and goal setting for the end of the year, or for year 2021, because greater things are waiting. So make it great. Keep in touch. Stay in touch with your friends and families, and take your relationship to the next level. God bless you, and have an amazing, blessed, and prosperous week. Victoria on Victoria Achievers Corner. God bless. Bye-bye.